Hello! There's a new update from your favorite GSM operator, AfriCell.
For all of you that have struggled to buy cash power beyond $7,000, AfriCell has done it again. The limit to buy cash power is now up to $30,000. Oh yes, $30,000.
Buy all the cash power you want from your AfriMoney account by dialing *777#.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
It's an amazing offer. AfriCell Mobile Money just got way better. The threshold for cash in and cash out on your AfriMoney has been increased.
Where it used to be $10,000 per transaction, now it has been increased to $30,000. Meaning, your AfriMoney account, you can now withdraw and deposit up to $30,000 at once.
Cashing in and out just got 3 times easier. For more info, call 777.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
Islamic microfinance is becoming an increasingly popular mechanism for poverty alleviation, especially for developing countries around the world. This microfinance service adheres to the principles of Islam as a form of social responsibility. Yona Islamic Microfinance is the Islamic microfinance of choice in the Gambia, trustworthy and reliable. At Yona Islamic Microfinance, we provide savings products, current accounts, financing products in conformity with Islam. In addition, Yona Islamic Microfinance also offers local and international remittances, Takaful Fund, management of Zakat, management of Awqaf, trading and investment, and building of strategic partnerships to bring financial services to the doorstep of the poor with donor projects, madrasas, youth organizations, women groups, and farmer organizations. Make a choice with Yona Islamic Microfinance today. For more information on Yona Islamic Microfinance, call 377-2151 or 9832-151 or visit Yona head office at Tipa Garage, Bakote, or visit any Yona branch located countrywide near you.
diwli lanni maaro lanni
fop lanni
awa joni mi anda honno gerde ten e ngal do sabu e ngal do Ibrahima jonnal taw joni mi anda se yahay kapitiki nyawloden ha humpondire makko est ce que non e warude
waden no awa
ene ko Ibrahima ma ko to woni
mo Amerique
ko Amerique a woni kare humpitaki fi be musibe men baluwo be andanda kala ko wawda wonde e aduna si arrivi e juude mabbe a jonnay do dépassement Gambia har no weebi aya ta kadi taw ko mbudi din no jawi walla no jippi be halantama ko kala ko falda ko reise sengo nyamete ili nebba maro basal pomme de terre kala ko rewi don a hendo to har no weebi kadi wona dum don tu be abbe jonnira e mobile phone si ko dum kadi laptop kala ko wayrode di ay kasbawa be wawma jonnude kadi sa fala on pitade ko weebi ettu Google account
Hello! There's a new update from your favorite GSM operator, AfriCell.
For all of you that have struggled to buy cash power beyond $7,000, AfriCell has done it again. The limit to buy cash power is now up to $30,000. Oh yes, $30,000.
Buy all the cash power you want from your AfriMoney account by dialing *777#.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
It's an amazing offer. AfriCell Mobile Money just got way better. The threshold for cash in and cash out on your AfriMoney has been increased.
Where it used to be 10,000 per transaction, now it has been increased to 30,000. Meaning, your AfriMoney account, you can now withdraw and deposit up to $30,000 at once.
Cashing in and out just got 3 times easier. For more info, call 777.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
Islamic microfinance is becoming an increasingly popular mechanism for poverty alleviation, especially for developing countries around the world. This microfinance service adheres to the principles of Islam as a form of social responsibility. Yona Islamic Microfinance is the Islamic microfinance of choice in the Gambia, trustworthy and reliable. At Yona Islamic Microfinance, we provide savings products, current accounts, financing products in conformity with Islam. In addition, Yona Islamic Microfinance also offers local and international remittances, Takaful Fund, management of Zakat, management of Awqaf, trading and investment, and building of strategic partnerships to bring financial services to the doorstep of the poor with donor projects, madrasas, youth organizations, women groups, and farmer organizations. Make a choice with Yona Islamic Microfinance today. For more information on Yona Islamic Microfinance, call 377-2151 or 9832-151 or visit Yona head office at Tipa Garage, Bakote, or visit any Yona branch located countrywide near you.
diwli lanni maaro lanni
fop lanni
awa joni mi anda honno gerdeten e ngal ɗo sabu e ngal ɗo Ibrahima jonnal taw joni mi anda se yahay kapitiki ñawloɗen ha humpodire makko est ce que non e warude
waɗen no awa
ane kore Ibrahima ma ko to woni
mo Amérique
ko Amérique a woni kede humpitaki fiɓe musidɓe men balu o ɓe andanɗa kala ko wawɗa wonde e aduna o si a rewi e juuɗe maɓɓe a jonnay ɗo dépassement o Gambia hara no weeɓi a yahata kadi taw ko mbuɗi ɗin no ƴawi walla no jippi ɓe haalantama ko kala ko falɗa ko rewi sengo ñamete ili nebba maaro basalle pomme de terre kala ko rewi ɗon a hendoto hara no weeɓi kadi wona ɗum ɗon tu ɓe jonnira e mobile phone siko ɗum kadi laptop kala ko wayrode jiɓe hay kaspawa ɓe wawma jonnude kadi sa fala humpitade ko weeɓi ƴettu Google account ma joni data ton waɗa download app maɓɓe on ayiyay kala ko humpima e maɓɓe ton ɓe weeɓiyama
ka wonɗa wo e aduna on
kala ko wawɗa
a jonnana e wonɗo ka leydi men Gambia ɗo dépense
hara no weeɓi hama si ɗum non fof no neeɓi immoɗen joni mi ɗowtama ka place maɓɓe jan
waɗen joni
yiya heɓa ko falaɗa
waɗen kisam
Jamano Money Transfer Bureau de Change, your go-to option when it comes to money transfer. With Jamano, you can send money from anywhere in the world to your family and loved ones in the Gambia and be sure the funds will be delivered to them within the shortest time possible. For your convenience, funds sent through Jamano Money Transfer can be picked from all the banks and multiple other financial institutions, including Ajib Bank, Trust Bank, GT Bank, Mega Bank, Basic Bank, Reliance Financial Services, and approved services. Visit our head office at Bruceby opposite AfricMed next to Trust Bank Limited or email us at info@jamanomt.com. You can as well call us on 310-3050 or 310-3051 or yet still 733-0688. Our opening hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sunday. Jamano Money Transfer, your most trusted money transfer service where customer satisfaction is paramount. When you think of a simple, fast and reliable money transfer, think Jamano.
Assalamu alaikum baringol ngali konton kale bismillah koreke mo be kerfado jube ka nyin tembenna alla proti kacha program min kanale talata o talata ni wato sida well being later do bani mo be hake dalila wala mari aliyaje of course programme o dolu mi yalon ko wala binaka barambe be dendin du ko nyinnala programme o nyinna tale ne korege mi yalon ko kanale talata o talata nka politicianol nati jande ni ka kacha politiko ko la Gambia banko kan jang nga Africell tenduke je baki kanyim programme o fasa ka sembentu yandi ke blodung nyim programme o koro ba fala mo be ko alta Africell lineol nyini number 7 number 2 and number 4 be mu Africell leti nyebe tenduke je baki molum yalon ko wolle be Africell line o use kan itole programme o fasa ka sembentu woto bi fanambe kachala ko dolle la mi yalon ka be dendim banko kolla Gambia banko kan jang so wala tina ngani programme o ki opportunity di mol la fana mi yalon ko wolle ka jube through Facebook pour ka call ki ke la contribution ol ki nyim programme o bi ngamin soro walem honorable Habib MLC sedi Habib atelem counciloti New Josong Ibo Town ngatele soro jang ali alon of course at the Kanifing Municipal Council fengo dolu fakan ne kabira report sol dolu fintita katandero ke ko voucher dolu bijele mi alon ke manje minta rafo million woro wala nyongol e manje anata dia mo siandi bakile fan Gambia banko kanjang andi tumirol ke Kanifing Municipal Council la ko nyemmo council leti mi alon ko mino dol ko tapale ale bije KMC fanang inata kuma kan do fintindi mi alon ko inata share on of course on social media household dol natata so mbe kachala o kolla la photo nya tonya 7 million in vouchers wale filled at the Kanifing Municipal Council Habib bijane council olemje so I think I could understand mi alon ko wale ketaje anen ku ko tangol mi alon ko wale be den Kanifing Municipal Council be wale kachala nyum programme auto so ko ngafo nyame ko nkake nyame do akere nyawa nyanke maril natile pour ya senandi pour个opportunity dial fanana lafta fe on fe nyinen kala aliya nyinen ka nyaado demande Habib welcome
abarke bake buwa be tentura be konton na bake fana be lamor la ni jibe la min yalon ko be nyum programme jibe kam be konton na be tentula be je
alright Habib jandi mbita nying 7 million quarter right now mbe samale kono at the Kanifing Municipal Council alla council be ke ga nyaadi en sama min start attending
janning sama follow be kala be preparedness la comme kake nyamen sango sang kabri nara 2018 pour kaje ko jibor silol men yalon ko be within the community pour ke yele anim fanen ke dara ke topoto pour jobe flood la nyamen anan dulal fan men yalon ko jiyo ko mul batandi je amami ning waka yem bulodi nyola project ko me yalon ko is a multi-million dollars project pour kaji ko be dulal jenkontu la nyame sama kono jiyobe flood la nyame kata dinkiral men yalon ko jiyo nyanta kala bangolto pour kaji ko flood yetala anim fanang malaria me yalon ko every year Gambia ning sama sita malaria kiska siya nyame consul fanang ka simfa nyal men yalon ko pour bayar ko malaria be ruus nyame ni gara malaria control ni ajibe kabin 2018 for be malaria ning ajita drastically because ning sama kana fanan kan ne nka prepare nyame pour kaji ko aussi fal yakana montorodi mol
so me muna expect kan this year sama especially Serekunda market Latrikunda anite fongola all ila on dulato da mi alon ko jiyo ka loje bakele what are we expecting this year for are we expecting the same or there are actions mi alon ko walletara before sama bina
yeah of course to yato comme to boto dawin to ma fo la men kita Ibo tan dus wanti mo be yalla ne ko jemu dinkira me yalla ko dumalem compared to place like Serekunda bundung ma fon la o jiol be kana ni jela aka gara ni jela and there is no proper drainage system to be honest that is the reality ni nata jibe council kamenke gota men yalon ko wole connect to stand gota bala aning sankun sil la gota bala council ka sin every year pour kaji ko jibe flood la nyamen kata but this year to be honest OIC siloning sama man ke bake follow nin sama ringol men yalon ko keta man montro wate kilensi wala tari minisi
yes
kaje ko jiyu nata mul batandi for sama nyin kabring neko receive different area wultam fonta di kata man ko dal jibe naje ko to yato nya ning ma ni adresse andum toliye NRA mi safen nune pour kay tan di lako ñin dulanto natara yatu teng ning samanata abe problème bale ko sala so wayati na vice president fon nata je afon tolla community recommendation men ko afon yaaje ko to yato nya ali ñun men foteng de all genuine resume alon ko natura tenyama fluid be sorte gan
idol be na no Ibo town le
okay vice president fon nata je na yaayenta ko tulal jibe so alim fon bladul fon be je me alon ko silol mam pare ani say andu kana du samale ko no
that the OIC silol lam
yeah exactly because sila sabab me alon ko wala sorte je silo me alon ko memboda ulju suang bamil ulju sang kaburo bala fokata fo alkalo la bundato ani memboda joko johnson kata fo talending ani do fana me yalon ko abota Ibo Town Johnson kata fo Ibo Town badala o be musilol de silol men yalon ko among drainage system so among fen soto so ibaje la ko this year mba expect ko flood ning abe jaw yala bakale
because of silol nyel
silol ning andum amambe fana NRA fan la timo ifana be la jibe kam pour kaje ko ñing ko ñingi ba sofna because jio ñanta ka tadamen ni concrete ko di wala jio la silo block sa jio bita mun jio bita mo le and this was our concern so ntara radio to ntara la bi pour kaje ko to for us we are the mouthpiece of my people cool men yalon ko wolbe ko le akul pour kaje ko ni autorité liasia men yalon ko di concern and in front of the stakeholders to bring them in board pour ni ka cha ko men yalon ko mba solve la ñam.
So is there any way of like the Kanifing Municipal Council in government ye blow do to solve that problem this year, or they are not involving you in this project?
Yeah, honestly, Kabri project when you start la Kabri by design can I was part of it, but after they don't consult me anymore. And Nina Lua Buko Jibe local government act ya fonyameng ako double DC is the entry point of any development. Ni mumu nyantaka development no kentela wodo la government which is the double DC World Development Committee and nyantaka ni wolle nyantaka see a plan of draw because wolle multimedia yalan ko wolle be community kono walla long mul sulata minna walla long dlame yalan ko ninku kere jambul montora ni mur montora boro be wankeno so but naje ko politiko lebe duma politiko me yalon ko abe ninga bula ay tataw nyama abe mula life ni montor la bakira anu right now wolbe kene so lat na kabrim vice president na itan dalale ko nimu ko wolete men yalon ko anende ka address la because nama address abe montor wulun la minister of environment fran na kabirana ta ñu jé last time no will be fine but still now mang fenje cool kono so council ndol has a representative me yalon ko be mo represent council so na council fan na diam council ka fa council ko council fan nyanta ka simfal men yalon ko nyin ko nyimbe solve la nyam so na gradal ta dulal men yalon ko na feel ko jio man silo soto
yeah totally
so, but we wrote to NRA and the final year would not hit ko but has hands into you right now mom mo je follow for now
interesting alnila sila ko as ala silo do le design pour que dogu according to mayo NRA e cool block tan but silo nyilbe nyaadile are you going ahead with it for albe
yet to be honest abe cool kono this general council coming ne mo sono le safe pour ka je ko mayo ya include la agenda kono because ntole project ko lontle project ko me yalon ko 300 million and project ko ning sayantata 50 million wala min siara o jota je already so say project ko ning anisa be dering ngamu ning kala political platform but ansay ntol moment nanu has a representative pour ka explain to le ka funye ko ñin ko ya ko kabrin contract ko ñimbe sign la no I think all the parties were involved, all the stakeholders, including NRA. I think for ministerial many ko they are involved, Minister of Infrastructure, road infrastructure. So what don't not information on mention come it's not an official information, but information of an nanata. Information like impact equal for an GB. I think we can have action on it.
Yeah.
Then kabrin no be analyze na ko government central government la fata sino lo project and bunio keta mo le ka soto because bi comme ka ko ñame central government ni local government ni yëpp le mo ci bi men jana ko so wala mo di yalla ko wala carte because mo kilimo la carte fay mais wala ka fay council wala ka fay president ani national assembly member so ni political infight continuité men ni yalla ko wala jana ka fu wala multi so but I believe Nentol we are governed by the local government act and the loi symboli molele ke silol dra federal sol dra o kay so
when is this meeting Albanian kala mun
yeah enough month because may like for dinala consul be kala time men but comme loi fa nyam every month once akoleta nyawnya kili nyanta kala so ntewe nyinte nyini karo o tam project go nying sai how far because ko do nyi jota and until what they supposed to benefit from this food project. So from the sila drone, naji ko men diara minister wala men diara president wala ntolbe wala kala. Ntolbe yalla ko we are serving our people. So ntolbe sino la no jibe wo
you are going ahead with the work.
Yes.
So saying as we are speaking right now, Allah party with press conference la in regards to the rejection of the 2024 draft constitution and the party la stand movement they are in support of it. They did not regret voting against the 2024 draft constitution. Well, individually I file a lot of more than 200 million signs spent on this draft quarter. What is your reaction to that?
Yeah, Buba, Wayalong Banco, Lundu, aning Nganyo, aning Fero, Waleka Banco Sambana. Niaji be Gambia la ko to yatonya aka kole yalla pour que ñim fo bot Gambia la ko mu bala fal constitution me yalla wala ñanta ka mul la bol wuta ka falling mul ka direction di mul la mul ñanta ka ma banko ka ñaadi le mul ñanta ka luwal tamandi ñaadi le Gambia dingol man sakunda ñanta ke sembentu ya ñaadi le munni muna ñanta kela mol ñanta ka ñaadi le mol ñanta ka ma ñaadi le ñing constitution no wala ka ñanta ka be adresse bi ni ko constitution no ñing iko Adama Barrow be campaign la Adama Barrow en to lahid min wala ko Gambia be new constitution so
in 2016
then o dalilo latin na mo jamaaye jiko so tato ye conference so pour ka jiko ñing constitution no ñing ay même fo ko abata man la ko gamino la fala ñamen o dalilo latin na do le carte o fay o kam o kumo da makam so bi ni to le o constitution me yalla there is a proper consultation across the country, the length and breadth of this country. Dula yemul sambaje kamul opinion no nyininka kamul kuma kamul nyininka ya beke buko nyinko sa ya sama national assembly mul men fon ya lonko ate Adama Barrow fon wolle mala député wolti ate fon be dikiri wo député wolle mul ye jele andi finito itol fon finito ko o constitution ko moy ima support wayati nay tolo murta ka falling ye falling mo men ke jasiata falling kemening tanti say inin constitution inin draft me yalon ko nana ka president sembentu ya anala association ani molu men yalon ko ani wole ka kulke lan kremalo mantraje integrity wol mu kulete me yalon ko hadama dingo niw boti la balu ko rek o rete fo man jara fenna
so yeah I'll try let mic check. I think there is an issue with the mic and people are commenting. Yeah, the mic is coming, but then technician will mic off fix lale. So we continue konga fanya mendro. Habib ML Sisele Bijang ya lonko councilor lem kan municipal council nganati about 7 million alleged missing vouchers allegedly at the Kanifing municipal council nabe kachala wala. And of course be kachakan kudo la kote kimbe the draft constitutional alialo ne deputy lia file kunung deputy lia file again after Gambia say more than 200 million no spend jele be diam kan about the draft constitution. Yes, you can continue from there. I think
yeah, so kuna fanya buko me yalon ko constitution nyum buku mabati because wala ka itendi mol lako banko mol nyanta kam ma nyaadi le.
Yeah, you can comment ni Michael binakam so that we know. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, aning institutional men yalon ko government ka wala tamandi ministry wol la tamandi bulul ani la lankene mol ko nyanta ke la nyami constitution ka be address.
Yeah.
So bi new constitution yin tata itol men yalon ko wala gambiyanu la kuma kanwori itol tata ye falling yedulal falling me yalon ko asiata kemeni muwanti wala kemeni tang yo be falling je so ye fengol sama men yalon ko bi there is no integrity me yalon ko ibajela ko mo nte I believe na integrity wala hadama dingo fawti.
Yeah.
So new botela ko wol kono woto akamunde te man jara fenna. You know, lankela mome yalon ko inyanta because these are public office. Many yalon ko fengo fengo inyanta kake. Anyanta kela lankene motile mul nyanta kalo imanyana ka tamandiri ke dibo kono. Nyinda luat na Adama Barrow na sama nang naki president of 2016.
Yeah.
So nimman na wo tamandiri silo lije. Then what is the purpose of this 2024 constitution? Me yalon ko this draft me yalon ko it doesn't address the needs and aspirations of Gambians. You know. So to be honest, yesterday I have a mixed feeling, but to be honest, I think the National Assembly member, 21 of them, yeah, I think the more still now, you know, say Jikinoela and say Jikino Deputy Bunga, because Deputy Bunga is very, very important. Deputy Bunga will government la armlet me alanko. If they are not the best, but they are among the best, because government katamanya wolenko executive, and legislature, and justice, but be. Mobe yala ne ko na justice system wonjing at least jikobe jelen ta fola ko you know abe jewata but to be honest National Assembly ni wol yesingolo dron oto ñun executive ning justice wol ka tele na by force so kunu new taman serule but mbe National Assembly member men yala ko wolle carte fo mbe tentula mbe jeyla mbay tan lela ko ñinen do ko te me yala ko gambienul laftay woleke.
Yeah, because at the UDP National Assembly members including Fonila Dibital, except Fenke, Honorable Amikoli are fight with the National People's Party (NPP), but the other 4 Dibital are fight with the minority, that is UDP, and also Fenke the Janjambure Nam Ofana fight with the minority. Surprisingly, Ablai Mamlai Honorable Banjul Central area with the majority. So I kunung Safono the entire National Assembly Narale for more killing. There was only one National Assembly member absent, that was Honorable Salif Jao. I think Salif Jao is NRP at Mantarunje. Maybe because Salif Jao was in the National Assembly in the 5th legislature, and he voted against the draft in 2020. Maybe Atinanola I'm going to vote against, you know, it in 2020. You know, in 2025, you know, Prokanyum Fenko vote. So maybe Walatin absent, but he was the only one who was absent. Kunung. So Gajeleko NPP Nila coalition obey, they voted Pura Etambi, and the minority they voted Pura Kana Tambi, except independent Mamlai and of course Amikoli. That one is not a surprise because Ami joined the President Mayale, you know, already, so it's definitely not a surprise. And also, yeah, Allah UDP Abdul So mean Farantata already signed supporting. So we look at the National Assembly, but very, very interesting. And today they are the election bill. Honorable Lamin Cisse ye mosono pass to reconsider the diaspora voting, you know, but it was rejected after covering ye voting ke. Okay, he is NPP National Assembly member. Okay, all right. So what at the National Assembly? Safono leko saying 56 National Assembly members will voter and dole voter against dole voter in favor of. So the draft constitution Safono leko afatale saying. Alright, so happy ngata Allah council saying after this so UDP press conference la saying we are going to bring all that for you about this draft constitution that will be there. Now in KMC kumaka wal mil findiraje andu mo jamal ba safe kan hani saying wala min diko corruption ole keraje kabring FPAC nata 7 million wo mu ko di jamalti Gambia la kodoto iko alman wala je virtual to mi alon ko al nyalta wala dila non fback la bari kodo nyen mannaje wo keta nyaadil because ngajele alla kan solo dol fintirale ko abijele I think al nime bandile wala tinatara but dol ko no niaje KMC ma fintindi no hani sign the reason is because amantara je so wo keta no nyaadile
pa yalong ntol KMC mantara kafu kono kafu me yalong ko mbafala ko audit is just a mere report ntol mantara kafu kono
okay
andung mambo pati fanan ko me yalong ko mbafala fanan ko audit imalla audit la comme kuma ken so wala me opinion ntol bili fele ko audit is very very important audit ka direction o dilale pour ka anaka lankena maro ke kaje ko it simfal min yalon ko ibe ila institution be wala takan wala ila organisation wala ila company be wala takan fo wala len kuti me yalon ko correcta wala faman correct kabiri ndey draft de 2020 I read the whole the whole report committee report
okay
so ni data 101 KMC la ko starta wolto page 101 kata ye fenkul menu bekeje finding sol menu bekeje
okay you mean the FPAC report
FPAC report
okay
because wole lankera maloke ning missing fenkol
7 million yeah
okay FPAC itolo do ko ka kanyame wolen ko itol ika based on vote sol kan an report sol aning fengol men yalon ko tamandir bulo ke wala then B ni nata jang for example B inata audit la jang iko mbatna na kirfatu man kirfatu la staff sol be tar men yalon ko some of them are the custodians of those documents
yeah
but ni wol tara yela report okay rek e baytan la ko buba man na pour que atela file sol vote sol amen yalon ko yo ko do diatela wala ala responsibility menti e baytan la leje ko buba manke bara manke ko wol mon soto de o vote sol be just kabirin kunu na start ka report on ka review I was there yesterday
okay
so not a finding at the malik me yalon ko o vote sol min yalon ko most of them e be jela right now so say tolka officer respond official fengole sort of from official to know from letter ngo wole botu pour ka sort of from the National Assembly through the office of the clerk then near some 30 days loi même fo wolenko because ning fenko nyim fo ni report ni ma adu follow de Thursday le nyanta ka adopt National Assembly near adopt then clerk of the National Assembly avec KMC ça fait la pour kaytandi la ko ñing ne recommendation mu ñinati ñing vote sol men yalon ko ani ñing query sol men yalon ko yake committee ya ake so leftale pour aller produce within 30 days so within 30 days natara council makeno then iba sambara frost squad be le investigation okela so say ye query sol men yalon ko yabeke ni nata do kula la karola ani vote sol men yalon ko mista ani ko dol men yalon ko dol nyanta ka dum damento e mon dunje wala vote so wol be nyanta ka KMC nyanta ka be produce le within 30 days natara Thursday butala ni National Assembly report ni adopt then be council safela then from there council fana be reply la kaje ko vote sol men yalon ko mista staff la ko men yalon ko ya complain ni ne evidence no nyinte ya be dila then from there natara kita ku anamanke ku then wota mo le mol mi yalon ko KMC manyinke but for now report le finita report me yalon ka ma adopt or National Assembly forma adopt follow then from there KMC mina natara National Assembly ya adopt ye council officiel then nin KMC failed to produce those documents and those voters then what I mole mosa for no KMC jenko nin tapale yala beje but for now council for them be do ntol has an authority has a policy maker mba make sure ko because near report ngi ba ka foko management should respond ntol fa National Assembly fa be ntol do ko fendi kambule because finance committee bi ni tar ye report be review ya di ko KMC nyanta ka nyin nyineke so the finance director every individual that is responsible for any voters yende ka mixo ya finteni then ni ma finteni then what will the multinational for KMC Jenkoni Tapale Yarabi? Because mayor is not the accounting officer, mayor come now from mayor Abuka Kaiti sign, council Buka Kaiti sign. Most of these signature will transactional mayor Lankwake management. Then but policy makers will find they have an oversight function. Walat na committee sort pour kaje ko ni fango me yalo ngamanta ni silola then auditor will raise a flag pour kaje ko ñu ko wol ni ay tamandi kanya daga tamanya.
Okay, so are you saying like kabring nil nara at the council, some of the people in Yanta Mill virtual talent millbull, some of them were not in council at the time?
Exactly, because menketa come for example kabring tol nata je 2018 CEO staff as CEO nani folulu 2018 Ntolin Salama last start no Salama Njai was
so the report CEO. Is from 2018.
No, the report is 2020.
As of 2020. Wow, that's a long time.
It's a long time though. Yeah. So Salama Njai was there. Kabrin Salama Njai botaje Jaja nata. Kabrin Jaja botaje Senabu Martin nata. Kabrin Senabu Martin botaje Passet nata. Sorry, Kabrin Kajali botaje Passet nata. So 5 CEO.
Yeah, certainly.
So baje lako report will meni yalongo wole nyanda kala. So baje lako at times fana ning voice meni yalongo nyanda ka bondi comme bi for example iko activity nyanda kala wala fa nyanda kala. So KCL aning order accounts fengul deni be le paper transaction kala for ke la report will be compiled. It take time. So at times ekaje ko ning voice dol meni yalla ko nyanta ko summit ni auditor nata isaje wol bu ko summit anyama kanya ko summit nyame but to be honest comme ye femo me yalla ko is a financial transaction anyanta ko voice sotole and anyanta ko report sotole bi wolen transparency ani wolen tamdir bu nyata me yalla ko wole ka mol wole ka transparency fana encourage.
So is there any, for example, nying CEO be miltata dol nata nang 5 CEO to nyala masiatale, but this report is from 2020 kara for 2025, right?
No, 2020 le.
2020
it's only 2020 report.
Okay, 2020 report la. Wow, interesting. So maybe is so recent.
Yeah, exactly.
So but is there any system in place me hanatara, for example, ning kare botaje donata virtual baby tarra nyamale like as no system okono? Is there no system like in KMC me along also?
Yeah, to nyala because report on niajibe I individual to for dul meni yalanko they are responsible of vouchers. Ni na dafa jibe even IT comme system ul meni software meni yalanko ke use. Software will be the reports talk about it. And in fanang cool men fana yalon ko wala nyanta kela tamandir brulti wol fanang ye fengol sutole man ko sutole but comme nente ka men fonu wolen ko bi local government be they should have a unified system because banko ko mon ke je ka tama nyamen any financial transaction system wol men yalon ko auditor fond e ba yela ko ni nata la do ko be soni yande bul bakel but bi area councils are using different software. So at times cool for nyanta ka lankena ma nyaming abuga lankena mo nyam.
Yeah.
So but when we have a unified system me along ba for be all the revenue lines within KMC, all the revenue line me along within the local government fraternity, they are all using the same software. So imagine ko be easy la. But unit domain software do use come, unit domain software do use come. So which is come on, I call it back because for example in other KMC, race we may use come, license we may use come, market we may use come. So it's different. So but B has a local government authority, local government. Because Gambia Lual at times is funny. Nina Rajibe local government ila tamandi bulna ka nyamen. Ko ministry laka most of the things ministry la nyanta approve or secretary of state. So ibaje lako mayor form doesn't have executive control of council. For example, staff will be. You are talking about staff. Staff will mean yalanko. And the law is very clear. Section 37 of the Local Government Act, Establishment and Appointment Committee should recommend to its local government service commission, independent local government service commission. So saying permanent secretary kamune si local government commission, local government service commission. It's just like the Nigoko Human Rights Commission. Eco sign Secretary of State level secretary. It's not independent. So what we have a lot of lapses. Mais yalonko within the local government fraternity. Mais yalonko mol ma faham, but I think the nimol ya faham iba lo ko problem lies at the central government. Mais yalonko wole be local government buso presam puri kani la doku ko nyante ka nyam. Anim fana lankele mo because mote me bulo mutala wara mote council bulo de ba fala ko nin documento nin kodo nin atela bondi council fengo feng me yalon ka be bola council KMC men ka bondi wolen finance director and CEO but ita ko ye me elect me yalon ko mo jelle carte fay then atat fonta la CEO appoint no ata finance director appoint no then say ibo account no la nyari but if you give him executive power you can make your carte of fire, mayor la fenkul. Nim fengo fentara wrong. Mayor is responsible because ibalo meloko nim mol meni yalong mayor na executive atala executive appoint.
People are still blaming the mayor for this.
Yeah, so no faham balialam. Because faham balialam mulat na nying information bigger. At times there are certain transaction mayor yalong ko mayor form book request all the form. At times, most of the time, it's just only report. Come report be caring. Naje ko wala. Report in the general council na foko tenin then council took edition but mayor okay Obejil has a ceremonial mayor but he don't have most of the powers. That is the reality. But ibajela ko bi Gambian ka political everything is a political dundije and ibajela ko war is not helping us. So KMC femo feng ya lon ko akere tapalo denko ni tapalo yari na sorta ndol minale na fo mole ko nyinni sorta but for now ni report is just a report. National Assembly ma adopt Thursday le nyata ka adopt then near adopt club of the National Assembly we write to council kaytan di council lako nyinni so laftalia address within this period 30 days then from there ning council ma produce then time mole balon nako nyinni jeng ko ni tapale yakata gel then from there ya sen police will fana yele investigation okay then ye recommendation no mo ya lon ko you are fine of one thing then yesamba court kon naje ko nyamen le procedure ke nyamen.
So do you think Gombe Futala Wotole, are you people so ko nyim virtual be findila because 7 million share or are you expecting ko dolbita kodala last Stafford?
Well, nta phone no dolbita kodle but jama be jeme yalon ko we saw the virtues to be honest.
Okay, ale dol jele.
Yes jamale jeta dol min fana yalon ko manje the directors and the managers responsible iko they are there. So for now, so we give them time before the final day will come. Purkajiko will be a comprehensive report.
And Thursday is the final day?
No, Thursday National Assembly nyantaka adopt the report. That was a committee report, FPAC. Then FPAC nyantaka samba to National Assembly. The National Assembly adopt. The near adopt club of the National Assembly with official right to KMC. Purkajatan di lako. Nyinni laftale aliya regularize wala aliya pursul samananko nyinni keta. Then from there, if they fail to do it within the period of 30 years, then the National Assembly may also
30 days.
Yes, 30 days. Ibe police fela pour que police police come and investigate. Come correct come comme normal procedure. But it's to be honest, 7 million ko ya ko nyama siata.
Siata le ya. I think what I more the kido fa. No, millions.
Siata le to be honest. But near report the entire report. The entire report. FPAC la report. Glad be jele men yalon ko 1 point something billion is missing. So KMC cool and
maybe KMC is more special.
And mighty KMC so
billion filter mundo where
ni tara ministry dolto ni tara there are certain ministry if you read the report ibajale ko government institutional billions, hundreds of millions. People are so and people are not talking about that. So imagine and there are certain area councils where along the whole form kabrim pack ye command e ma report somebody, but people are not talking about that. Area council no be the mistake is 20 something. But nobody is talking about it. But we understand, KMC is mighty.
Yeah.
So obviously, and to be honest, Ndolfana can advocate all the time. pour ka je ko kuole tanin silo la kuole tanin because nim place ol jiko latna mol ya dina you know amanke ko comme to le fisayata multi men yalan ko you know ni wala contesta election but mol ye jiko le soto ani lanu men soto na wala na nim place ol so ni ko si fal na ta me yalan ko national assembly also they are responsible yalan ko ni muy la do ko wolti so tol fanan you know mbata la with care pour ka je ko na ko nyin kiskis fengo fengo yalon ko wala nyanta kelaji any missing documents and if anybody may yalon ko you know you are responsible of any virtue pour ka digo ka boni ni ma boni den loi
support so me obe mune fokang I know ko tamatal no out of the country amutana ne right I think abijana ngaje sandulal what is he saying kabring nyin kita what is it what mune fokang
me yo kabring nyin ko kita because yalon there are certain committees may yalon ko they are responsible we have the accounts committee may yalon ko well most of this lankene mul wolle ka bondi finance committee obviously they are responsible so establishment committee which is my committee may yalon ko doku lal most of the well koto then may ko pour ne si nañu ko wutan na investigate do ñala we don't receive any letter yet but
from the national
assembly but ni mu report le may yalon ko ñanta katale ne report ne review so we started here yesterday kunun dama rek nata find out ko there are a lot of things may yalon ko you know well jita but may yandi mul ko wolen ko we saw the enthusiasm and the willingness pour kali ko nyimuna ko jolala ko the 7 million is not a small money so now make sure ko you know we come up with a comprehensive report next general council pour ka ko ñing ko men yalan ko ya be mention thing this audit query pour ka ko na be final
okay so but you want to guarantee people that ñing ko do KMC madamo
no comme quand même fo yalan ko do len ko do nak report la fitita right now but kurum kabiring because kabirin defa nang yaaje social media ne report ni fana read nata hakilo nata jase but couldn't kabirin start to review it then some of the directors and the managers start to have ko ni vote sol baby most of them are there you understand so we na jiko fanam ma fa but we wait you know till we finish the investigation and we'll come back here and update the public but more yalan ko you miss any dollars obviously you know you will pay it and luwa kan be boyle kan because these are public funds amanke individual lokoroti mul lokorole men yalan ko nama jolal so muritul na
yeah definitely so mbe line yellale on 2035-488 2035-488 2035-488 be kumandiro tala wala natara be gambe bandala is you call keno on +220-2035-488 +220-2035-488 natara ibe gambe jang it is a call keno direct on the same number is a call keno wala direct that is 2035-488 2035-488 so yeah so konga fanya benga Habib le soro jang Habib mo councilolti mi alonko abedo kola the Kanifing Municipal Council so if you have any question mi alonko you want to ask about this 7 million alleged missing vouchers at the Kanifing Municipal Council so you have the opportunity you know to ask of course Habib about that because mo jamal bi jemi alonko iba complain kang so yeah so that is the number nying technician oli ake screen over the sign so al satano jele mil lafta komandiro kala nyim program oti so I'll just repeat it on 2035-488 2035-488 2035-488 on WhatsApp is +220-2035-488 +220-2035-488 all number timi alonko alsi komandiro keno yeah it seems like for maybe ko senara mo la bagale Santiago calling
yeah to be honest ko na fo nyam ñing report lem report me yalon ka fintita ya kala website because we believe na entol be kanyine kala wolen ko lankena moye ke kuolto okay ni report ni fintita but National Assembly e man council ça fait officially follow the near council ça fait ni adopt on Thursday ya council ça fait then from there council fanang bela investigation o kala bela kuwal kala then nin 30 days oni elapsa nin council mang simfa nyata ji then from there the police will fala instruct la police will na investigation okay yem mol sambal wata mol men yalan ko wala responsible ta ka kodonin
so jani kolosol bina ngajele no is it your word dami yalan ko demolition o kiraji
yes
so what happened mune kita
odulanto mu dinkiralto di grame yalan ko je standi wetland area balem lanto la dindin tamo kono mo resti la wata fam auto ma fam but ni ajibe multa restita ji fo banning gena push ntol be dal men yalan ko
banning karate
kende so kabinte na 2018 kita council it was a consent to me then dom side will be different dom side ni yene Facebook page will fonga jibe fonga ba jelal ko ñun dulanto ne melni clair so ne dom side will be clear then mol start ka balito fayje mol start ka bungol loje
so ngana force ko la ta den ngamuro na sorry yes hello
Uma
yes hello Mbara Aliou yes ebe live or kerfado yeah
all right thank you so much thank you Habibu for coming there one contribution sort of me and nako it abitala Habibu kan and then everybody me and like watching the sound ending so discrepancies and mistake for council is I think it has been happening since 2018 to date in all area councils in the country. FPAC report Niga followed in 2021. There was a huge discrepancy in Brikama area council and nothing has been done about it. I know that the investigations are going on, which solely we're going to see a lot of things happening. But these are things we should not come. Lavaka Habib Ninenka Kukilna for internal auditor sort of auditors KMC, what was the internal auditors report? And secondly, near sort of for internal auditor near many discrepancy because what we do believe is if internal auditor is very transparent with the dealings of council, these are local, you need to spot it out, even if the grievances is not that much higher than Maminja can stand ending. But it's high time, Gambian people look closely to their area councils. The same thing happened in Basse area council back in 2022 or thereabout, almost 30 million. That one was 30 million. Discrepancy me and Nakol sort of the J and up to date Femon Fidina Fananina. So I balfa water back and to be honest with you. And then that is what I wanted to ask him about the issue of the internal audit report. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Aliou Job. Yalla kick sono moy la.
Malik lama.
No, Aliou.
Okay, Aliou baraka bake. I'm content ye quick son kende bala nyininka. Nte KMC among the people many alonko always we advocacy ke kaje ko muli auditor many alonko they are well qualified. My committee recommend to local government service commission to the ministry pour kaje ko ye makoy qualified auditor to me alonko as a auditing kinyo because auditor member nunji at that time was not qualified. Okay. We even forced that auditor to retirement. Everybody is aware of it. I took the case openly myself pour kaje ko lankene mo nyente kanale because auditor for external auditor ni nata welcome en jibe internal auditor report ko le follow jibe wala ke guide so say ni if you don't have a competent auditor how can you expect ne abe lankene mo ko wala ko men yalon ko ani silo manta then we wrote to them since 2019 we wrote to the ministry. At the time there was no local government service commission. For later, I think after 2021 something like that. What time inata auditor no auditor na resign, we will sack him. General counsel will sack him. Then what time auditor inata force na some retirement. But to be honest, he is not competent and he did not have the qualification. So kabin tol na understand ko nying abe kole ala bakere pour alafta doku wala the willingness is there but the qualification and the competency is not there.
It's not there, yeah.
Don yindalilo latina but biniyaji be the pay rule, if you look at the pay scale of area council staffs, it make only qualified auditor jumale attract la with that salary. It's not possible.
Ikate jono menna.
Hi, kadu menna. So and he became sila director kadu menna. Mal fancy.
Yeah.
So iba tell ko iba puri SCA holder one of a competent degree holder pour kadi ko me yalan ko have masters in auditing because they also have their it will find yellow qualification so le men yalan ko it's attached to that qualification.
Yeah.
So say ni man na competent individual so I'm kolala then ni dalilu at na the ministry all those correspondents are there put to have a qualified auditor me yalanko amina because auditor fund but it can to leg fund mako dina management fund because KMC mayo bukatara official be ko mayo bukatara accounts mayo bukatara finance so update and bin comme loi fana ya fa nyam section 24 of the financial manual of the local government ako the auditor shall give a quarterly report to general council every quarterly. So you will be able to always a concern and Nimenuka council deep I was a big advocate of this thing because since day one we should have it because you see Buba Kabirin Tolnata until we have a guideline interim committee report on ni base takan you will have a guide because this were the things me alonko ye pinpoint pour kaje ko ñin auditor ordinate ka competent auditor so mais yalon ko abe lankena mo kera ko wala ane qualified one for that matter so but bi ni mo so ñin lankena mo be
so kabri wo retire al mo auditor so still
no mo auditor so ne ça fait samedi fula mo auditor so for lately lem 2023 wato lem ye ñindo samana but
membe ye
ayeme samana is up to standard to be honest you know because ndol kam menje pa I don't Buba auditor until we feel the auditor found in staff full for when you get a good time.
Yeah, definitely.
No good lad, you auditor by Casilale.
Yes. But if
I don't think that's a good practice.
No, it's not.
You know, auditor you get for when you the hey.
Yeah, auditor. Definitely. So we are explaining about a left demolition of Minkiran.
Yeah, demolition no omu dinkira me yalon ko Ibo town mul tara sabati bala kono and mul ka menke ni kana num fon e ka bero bonji e ka grabulo bonji pour yasika bodi ka mbali to le ke je fay siya den yena bungulo mbali to kam me yalon ko abe montora bala wulu la sama so kabiri ninketa community based organization e wulta you know, and the Najago Yemen complaint is genuine, to be honest. Because Tolia from the Minister of Environment, you know, Nefengo Beke, and he sang, Falicereto, Nidulmut and Dulsamba Court, you know, we did all Dosol Bell exhaust. So, saying Kabirin community from Wultajago, Niman to Robita and Diamond sign.
Yeah,
it's not a good sign.
It's very risky. Yeah.
Then we told them. And Kabirin, when I have a meeting with them, I told them, this were our steps, Mementakanu. At the time from Dolphon BJ, they don't know until we are taking that kind of step. But what will not how long way to Yara from Council Nalamul from the steps will then from there, Minister from Canada, he was shocked. But then Minister Canada 2019 National Assembly Select Committee for Environment in Adajil. Because I wrote to them. Kabrini Savakaitan Dilako, if Minister of Environment Niman Nine address one day abe Ibo town do some cool affect la bakel then in other select committee at that time you know because that area was not for settlement because ya jambe that time mul min ya lon ko wato fo mul mang serul je bakel no nyama but mul min setaje inata compensate le man for Brufut area do dol be je inata murna ne ko tanke
the same area
yeah the same area
interesting yeah
so ba jela ko you know minu fanaka je wafi you know I 40,000, 20,000. Jumala because I feel like KMC in a place like Ibo town 20,000, 40,000.
Yeah. Oh, man, settlement can do it. Yeah.
So, Kabirin Najako, this is a concern to our community, and everybody, you know, the community people took the initiative to themselves. Then we support them as a double DC. Then
the community formally stepped up.
Community formally stepped up.
Okay.
Don't you know we support them. Then the minister Naraje. Kabiri minister nata jaba me fanan le president nata je amam me president nata vice president fana ki je kabrim vice president nata vice president yayi ni mulla ko jambe nyanta ka boyle because Badara Diouf nata jele was ako jindulanto nyanta ka boyle because jindulanto is not a settlement. So what I am on demolition team but to be honest Buba odulanto ni futata je il faut mbalo ngal ko jam mo nyana ka stay jam
yeah we ngafim call jele I saw the videos of
yemen la korda boyndi to nyalem ka mo investment ko damento because korda mo investment pour kana boy o te diala moy
yeah
but fanan the greater good me yalon ka abe toro même fanan ke la society la banin community la o fanan mantour be war la bakel
yeah milbe affect la koma maybe wala be gana sia
yeah because odulanto ni tara je bi bungol men be lorin je mo they spend millions in those compounds. So physical planning even for go the demolition will have a first phase, second phase and third phase. So but right now community fongos will tell already saying pour kaje ko men yalla ko kambali to fayje pour wol ya stop.
Definitely, yes.
That's so which is a good initiative.
Okay, man be demolish follow.
No, ma demolish follow.
So
like the man be men yalla ko même foy ko ñanda ka je demolish.
Ñanda kana je demolish. Yeah, okay. All right. That is clear. So ibe sarla munela wato banta.
Yeah, buba ntol mula doku laleti. Bi Gambianul wolle jiko soto ne carte o fay ni nge place olto. Ninku nata ninku bringe kuma moy ne kibaro nyinta na kiskis
yes
ni ya kiskis yikuma ko soto then ita nyanta menkela yake ntol la nyanta kan tol account because ntol muy la doku la ntol la boss muy tolete the public because wala nan tol we are answerable to the public so ibaje la ko niwo mu kuti me yalon ka sotota andunga be kering fengo fengi yalon ko le akulem ye carte fay meye inyanta kata yala ayela kole ko topoto ka anyanta ka topoto nyame bi KMC fengo feng yala ko kata je KMC dun to mani bima ngo nyina tele mo foy pa I did a audit ne audit ki kabiri na 2018 na find out ko molle be je men yala ko ila musul yaay compinol ibe kansul la peru loto ibe kansul la peru loto
ani man do
ko la KMC ibe sirin suwa kono I dingol ila musul ila yaay compinol ibe kansula payroll every month ibe be jola ibe mojela abe retire la yata contract la iba jola retirement la iba jola salary la
and retire la
interesting we introduce the quarterly review of the payroll and every quarter we save millions ndolo simfalta na be put in place payroll pour ka jiko ka seneyandi goswo ko so la mol men yalan ko be sirin su kono yaay compine kebal wala political kebal ye ke payroll ko dol dingol e be sirin su ko ne man tarafen because of e be ruling government no ma wara ini wala be ku kelen ntoli wol be tarajila an do reports are there so mbele fele fan atayam journalist wol fanan e kana ni ka wala ha ngala dila so but
good news is not
yeah to be honest but content about Canadian fanang Kirfatu fanang because most of this information I rely on you at the parliament right so many meeting but anyway so any news any contribution any member so nkatale from you then after
that's
so
right.
which I congratulate you for that and to be honest you guys are doing great.
I will main especially inshallah nibe special kachasoro this one is about the 7 million but minale ni special kachasoro and even a grand bantaba fana inshallah
thank you.
All right, thank you so much ga tentu ga je bake whatever of course Habib MLCCD mi alon ko new Joshua Ibotan ward la of course council olem nga dati no jampurna ya kacha ko do la mi alon ko le be dending Kanifing municipal council allege 7 million vouchers mi alon ko le filter je kuma ko mi alon ko ay wolle fo aliya moyle aya sene yandile ko bebe kiskisilale pour ya samba di National Assembly iba fintindi la molo fana mba jelale aliya moyle ate fola kuma kan wolto bari mba karla kol no male je mi alon ko alabanta je nyaaw nyamba natilale of course Kerfatu jang official le nyim programme face ka sembentu ndi to le blodu nyim programme ko to alta official line o sang number 7 number 2 and number 4 abemo official leti alse muna fan alfe muna fanno ila andung official mu GSM operator timi alon ko to lom nyonta ngolti Gambia banko kan jam bayring ni be la linal use kan isi fen jama bal gagné no mil boko kodolu isi keno millionaire tile in official wala na molbe nyanta official lino sanda ngal tendu kal je bake na technician ol Sire Drame atele muta masimoto kunke bi Lamin Jallow wol itole muta camera to ngebe tindu ke jey bake talata na lambe murana ale ni ala kidita ala bari ni wo jamfata alse muta no nyeng arjumana ala on the grand bantaba program o min kana de talan say na tambita minute tan sabala karawo e santol alse muta no je jandi wo mba fala mo be ko babay.
Hello! There's a new update from your favorite GSM operator, AfriCell.
For all of you that have struggled to buy cash power beyond $7,000, AfriCell has done it again. The limit to buy cash power is now up to $30,000. Oh yes, $30,000.
Buy all the cash power you want from your AfriMoney account by dialing *777#.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
It's an amazing offer. AfriCell Mobile Money just got way better. The threshold for cash in and cash out on your AfriMoney has been increased.
Where it used to be 10,000 per transaction, now it has been increased to 30,000. Meaning, your AfriMoney account, you can now withdraw and deposit up to $30,000 at once.
Cashing in and out just got 3 times easier. For more info, call 777.
Where AfriCell goes, nobody dares to follow.
Islamic microfinance is becoming an increasingly popular mechanism for poverty alleviation, especially for developing countries around the world. This microfinance service adheres to the principles of Islam as a form of social responsibility. Yona Islamic Microfinance is the Islamic microfinance of choice in the Gambia, trustworthy and reliable. At Yona Islamic Microfinance, we provide savings products, current accounts, financing products in conformity with Islam. In addition, Yona Islamic Microfinance also offers local and international remittances, Takaful Fund, management of Zakat, management of Awqaf, trading and investment, and building of strategic partnerships to bring financial services to the doorstep of the poor with donor projects, madrasas, youth organizations, women groups, and farmer organizations. Make a choice with Yona Islamic Microfinance today. For more information on Yona Islamic Microfinance, call 377-2151 or 9832-151 or visit Yona head office at Tipa Garage, Bakote, or visit any Yona branch located countrywide near you.
diwli lanni maaro lanni
fop lanni
awa joni mi anda honno gerdeten e ngal ɗo sabu e ngal ɗo Ibrahima jonnal taw joni mi anda se yahay kapitiki ñawloɗen ha humpodire makko est ce que noon e warude
waɗen no awa
ane kore Ibrahima ma kon to woni
mo Amérique
ko Amérique a woni kadi humpitaki fiɓe musidɓe men baluwo ɓe andanɗa kala ko wawɗa wonde e aduna o si a rewi e juuɗe maɓɓe a jonnay ɗo dépassement o Gambia har no weeɓi a yahata kadi taw ko mbuɗiɗi no ƴawi walla no jippi ɓe haalantama ko kala ko falɗa ko rewi sengo ñamete ili nebba maaro basalle pomme de terre kala ko rewi ɗon a hendoto hara no weeɓi kadi wona ɗum ɗon tu ɓe aɓe jonnira e mobile phone siko ɗum kadi laptop kala ko wayrode jiɓe hay cash power ɓe wawma jonnude kadi sa fala humpitade ko weeɓi ƴetti google account ma joni data ton waɗa download app maɓɓe on ayiyay kala ko humpima e maɓɓe ton ɓe weeɓiyama
ka wonɗa wo e aduna on
kala ko wawɗa
a jonnanayi wonɗo ka leydi men Gambia ɗo dépense
hara no weeɓi hama si ɗum non fof no neeɓi immoɗen joni mi ɗowtama ka place maɓɓe jan
waɗen joni
iya heɓa ko falaɗa
waɗen kisam
Jamano Money Transfer Bureau de Change, your go-to option when it comes to money transfer. With Jamano, you can send money from anywhere in the world to your family and loved ones in the Gambia and be sure the funds will be delivered to them within the shortest time possible. For your convenience, funds sent through Jamano Money Transfer can be picked from all the banks and multiple other financial institutions, including Ajib Bank, Trust Bank, GT Bank, Mega Bank, Basic Bank, Reliance Financial Services, and approved services. Visit our head office at Bruceby opposite AfricMed next to Trust Bank Limited or email us at info@jamanomt.com. You can as well call us on 310-3050 or 310-3051 or yet still 733-0688. Our opening hours are 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Saturday and 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sunday. Jamano Money Transfer, your most trusted money transfer service where customer satisfaction is paramount. When you think of a simple, fast, and reliable money transfer, think Jamano Money Transfer.